Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to flip text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Flipping text in Canva is a simple process that allows you to create interesting visual effects or adjust the orientation of your text for design purposes. Once you're logged into your account, go and open the design where you want to flip the text, or if you haven't already, click on the create a new design. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, alongside the thumbnail, I will be uploading that in our YouTube TPLAF channel. Now, we have a separate video on how to flip an image here in Canva. Basically, all you have to do is click this option right here that says flip. You can click on flip horizontally and vertically. All right, see that? But in the text, however, if you, let's say, for example, we use this text right here. Okay, for example, this. There's no flip option for text, all right? Now, the only way for us to be able to do it is to use this option right here. It's like a circular kind of option. You can flip it like this to a certain degree and angle, all right? 180. Hold 360. You see, when you rotate that, it gives you the value minus 108, 114, 120, 135, 180, and 170, and a lot more. All right. So these are only your options in basically flipping text. There's no way for you to be able to do it. Now, another clever way is to copy this text right here, and of course, rotate that. Kind of like a mirror kind of effect, all right? But you don't want that, right? So these are some of your options in flipping text. But of course, it can serve various design purposes that can enhance the overall visual appeal of your projects here in Canva. As you can see it from here, flipping text can provide a fresh perspective on your message, making it feel new and innovative. It can stimulate reflection effects, adding a layer of depth and creativity to your design. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.